Hello people of YouTube. So this is what my uncle gave me. This is a very large bee's nest. I don't know what that is hanging from it. But this is the nest, whatever. And well, beehive, I guess. And what is funny about this is that he found it in his wall while he was remodeling his wall. Like inside the house, inside his wall. So, this huge thing, here it is compared to my hand. Wait, here, yeah, right there. There it is compared to my hand. So it's pretty big, yes. Compared to a stuffed dog. Yes. Anyway, so this thing is pretty big, and yeah, you can see inside it. And it's still got some, let's see here, if I can find one. Oh, there's some poopies up here. Right there. And there. And one of these combs have, some of these have, oh yeah, there's one. Yeah, it's right there. It's some dead larvae in there from the bees. Right there. Some dead larvae. They've been dead for a while, but you can still see the hair, the fur on them, hair or whatever fur. Yeah, it's pretty creepy, but I don't mind. And so it appears inside it. It's pretty dang creepy, but I don't mind. It's pretty cool. I could do something with it. I have not taken it out of this box. Here's part of the wall. And yeah, it's pretty cool, pretty dang cool. And it's all together up here and all this stuff. Oh, it's all cool. I'm not gonna touch it that much. So, yeah, here's all the honeycombs, or whatever you want to call them. And they're really cool. Pretty cool, yeah. Pretty cool. Yep. There used to be a bunch of bees in there, but now they're all dead. I don't even know if there's any dead bodies left. I don't know. I want to know what kind of bee it was. But who knows? So, yeah. Oh, speaking of bees, I want to show you my few bees that I have left. Here, hold on. There. Just stay out of the box for a few seconds. Let me get my bees. Almost broke one. Okay. Okay, yeah, there's my two bees I have. These bees have been dead for a while. And, I've had them on decoration, I guess. See the stinger? Isn't that crazy? And yes, see, look at that. Look at that stinger. That thing is huge. Imagine getting stung by one of those. Look at that. I want to touch your stinger. I'm gonna touch you. Wait, touch it. Oh, I never touched it. I don't want to. Anyway, it's monstrous. Look at your eyes. They're creepy. You can't see it. Here, hold on. Let's see. Oh, and look at that. Look at that. It's creepy. Now, this is the first one I got. And here's the second one. its wings are folded down. The other ones are folded up. And it died with its stinger out too. But not as far out as the other one. Oh yeah, you can see this one's eyes. It's creepy. Look at its pinchers on its freaking face. Look at that. It's creepy. It can just kind of bite you. And so, yeah, there's its wings. They look really cool. I don't know what kind of bee this is, but I think it might be a queen. I don't know. But it's pretty freaking big. And both these are the same size. What's funny about this is that one died with his wings up, that one died with his wings down. That's cool. So, yeah. It's crazy. Well, thanks for watching. Bye.